Now, if you're going to be treating people, I suggest you go into Amazon and buy, somewhere down the track, you want to buy some gua sha tools. I want to just show you, now you can buy just single tools, but I've got a little set that I bought, came in a nice little box, and I want to show you what they give you, just so you can have a look. As you can see, it says gua sha on the front there. I'm just joking, I have no idea what that says. But anyway, so let me have it. So we got all these little tools here, and I'll show you what they used them for, what they used for. All right, so this one here, stimulate chi on the head. It actually feels really good. So this would be good for promoting hair growth. I should have done this about 30 years ago. All right, so then they've got this little one like here. Now this is really great. It's got a concave edge here. So these are great for when you're, let me show you. So it'd be great for sort of the concave here, and working along limbs like that. It's got the corners that you can use as well. Really great for using on the neck here as you work down through there. And of course the corners where you can really get into the suboccipital muscles. So that's a great little thing. Now we've got a little fish looking one here. Same thing. Now this has got this nice narrow edge, so great for, as I'll show you, stimulating acupressure points. Also, of course, they're really easy to handle as we go through the beauty therapy, the natural facelift segment, where it's really good control. They're really nice to use, as you'll find out. This here, these are great for, let's say, got thumb pain, gamer's thumb, as they call it. So you can work joint areas, arthritis, these sorts of things. So that's what those are for. They're really great and terrific to really help with joints here. So you can see that as well. And of course you've got the lovely big broad concave both sides here. So great for legs, that sort of thing. Arms again, shoulders, so on and so forth. So I've got two of those babies. And finally, you've got this one here. Again, great for knuckles and fingers, knuckles, that sort of thing. And of course, once again, you've got your concave, convex angles and your pointy end for when we start doing stimulation. That's just to show you what you can get in the kit. Really cheap. I didn't pay much for it. $20, I think. But as I say, you got your lid, you got your coins. That'll get you through in a pinch, no worries at all. You've got your porcelain soup spoon perhaps. Whatever you've got, all of these are going to work well. No problems at all, but I just wanted to show you what you get in a little gua sha kit. All right, so why don't I show you how to do it?